Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Let it rain. Let me talk to him. Come on.
Students from the University of British Columbia and University of Calgary are traveling north of 60 next month. They're visiting Yukon communities as part of the national Let's Talk Science program. Lars Rose is a program coordinator at UBC.
We do rural outreach, and we go to very many different places all over our own provinces and territories. And we decided to bring the awesome science that we have down here in Calgary and UBC in Vancouver to the Yukon, and then bring whatever we have to show them how science is being done down here, how research works, what kind of cutting-edge technology is being developed at the moment at our institutes here.
The Yukon portion takes place May 5th through 9th of this year. Rose explains what the schedule looks like at this point.
We come with 6 people and split them up into 3 groups, and then we go to Whitehorse, Destruction Bay, Haines Junction, Carcross and Teslin, and then it will be full day. It will be pretty busy for us, teaching, it will be lecture series, it will be interactive stuff, so whatever we can get on the plane that they will allow us to bring. The kids can have fun with it, they can play with it. We do some demo models, like I will talk about sustainability, bring fuel cells, bring the actual stuff that's being developed in our labs.
Many community schools have already applied for a stop on the Let's Talk Science busy schedule, but others can still get their science fix.
People from Calgary and UBC coming, UBC Department of Materials Engineering and the National Research Council Institute for Fields Innovation, and lots of other places. We'll talk about DNA too. Cutting edge science and technology will be part of the show, I guess.
The program coordinator says trips such as this one are very common for students participating in the Let's Talk Science program.
We always try to expand that and reach more areas of the population that might not necessarily be interested in sciences. So we always bring it down to local issues, like, I don't know, climate change is everywhere, or even soil erosion in the places where there's lots of farming going on. Here, locally, we do lots of stuff with arts. So we do creative writing too and combine that with the sciences, painting of science, and it's a fun thing.
The Let's Talk Science Partnership Program will visit schools in Whitehorse, Destruction Bay, Haines Junction, Carcross, and Teslin during the week of May the 5th.
Pump it hard! Yeah. Woo! Nice!
Students at Kluwani Lake School in Destruction Bay were building bottle rockets and attempting to burn paper money yesterday. The science experiments were led by Lars Rose. Rose is a PhD student from the University of British Columbia and a coordinator for the Let's Talk Science program. The program aims to increase science literacy among elementary and high school students. Rose and 5 other volunteers are traveling across the territory this week, giving presentations in Whitehorse, Carcross, Teslin, D-Bay, and Haines Junction.
We're only here for a short time, so we usually do 2 things. One is sort of an attention-grabbing activities at the beginning, and get everybody's attention, showing that science can be cool, it's something they can do, it's really great. And then we do something that is really simple, where they can play around with things and do hands-on stuff. That is something that is not that often done in science and technology, unfortunately.
The Let's Talk Science program was founded 15 years ago in Ontario. Since then, the program has spread across Canada. Through the UBC branch, about 20,000 students and 400 volunteers have participated in the program this year, and this is the first time they've brought the program to the Yukon.
Representatives from the University of British Columbia and University of Calgary for the Let's Talk Science program have now returned south. Lars Rose is a program coordinator at UBC.
We came to the Let's Talk Science Partnership program into the Yukon and visited pretty much all schools in Whitehorse, in Teslin, Carcross, and Destruction Bay and the Haines Junction. And then just brought sort of alternative energies to the Yukon, to the kids. We did lots of other fun activities, like launching rockets. I think that was the most fun part.
6 members of the team traveled to Yukon schools.
We had a great time in the Yukon. The countryside is amazing. We went hiking, and then the teaching with the kids was also amazing. All the teachers totally bought in, and all the kids were excited and participated in everything that we brought. So it was nice, and it was all great from K to 12, and they all bought into what we did. So it was fantastic. It was really nice.
Kids from Whitehorse, Destruction Bay, Haines Junction, Carcross, and Teslin got their science fix. And Rose was asked if there might be a second visit north of 60 for the Let's Talk Science program once again.
Most certainly, yes. We're looking into doing this annually now. Let's see what comes up. At the moment, it's still funded only by our universities, so it's UBC and University of Calgary. I don't know, maybe the Yukon government is somehow interested in getting involved.
Students from across the territory participated in the Let's Talk Science program earlier this month. The program itself originated in Ontario many years ago.